Okay, so in task 1.4 it says sort the data in the file by the weight column and then by the sex column. And so that goes back to the previous video when I was counting data. But what we're trying to do here is we're trying to look at these just for each weight. So, I come here now, I'm going to get rid of this column. So this is that same file I used in the other video, and it's all randomized again. So it said first by the weight, data, sort, first by weight, then second level by sex, and let's see what happens. And so what you see is for each weight, then I could make a table just for that. Now, notice that, but the yeses and nos aren't ordered. Okay, well, I can fix that. Data, sort. Okay, it's not essential that I fix that, but it's pretty essential that I did the other sorts. But now I can even do a third level and do by the LQTS. And notice, as soon as I added a third level, if there had been 4 columns or more, it would allow me to keep sorting by more and more columns if I wanted to. So I say, okay. And now I have this sorted, and I can create a table just like I did here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try just copying that. And I'm going to try pasting it here, see what happens. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, so I can go in here and edit this, and maybe this is table 2 or it's table 2A because I'm going to have a bunch that are very similar. And and now counts of LQTS by sex. But now I maybe need to add 4 weight 0. Okay, and again I can count this many different ways. I could use my automatic counting. Now in this case I really would probably want to change ranges and that sort of thing, and these are so small it might be just as easy to do the one, and I'll go down here to stop there, so I've got those 10, I've got 1, and I'll do those, and 1, and here it's just as easy to write 2, and then 1 of those, and so I could go in here and say, okay, there were, of the yeses, there were 4, I guess. And then of the no's, there were 10. And then for male yeses, there was 1. And male no's, there were 2. And hopefully, let's go back and look at the now, and notice I can't see all that, but if I don't know, make some of these bigger, that will start coming in, so I could, and remember in my previous video, it kind of made a slightly small table, so I might want to make that all bigger anyway. Okay, so I have that, and I didn't check this